Take a jelly! And rest. Now we're all warmed up.
Look, there's a big ship. It's going to bang into the bridge. Ho, ho, ho.
Everyone has come dressed as pirates.
Yo, ho, ho. Music.
We don't like children's music. No.
What music are you into? I like this. It's very grown up.
I bust it down 'cause I seen you had that rag. Oh, it rags. That good sexy, I need some. Make me arch my back or we're going dumb. Please don't stop, I'm about to come. I'ma pop my shirt like bubblegum. The good sexy, I need some. Make me arch my back or we're going dumb.
Peppa and George love jumping in muddy puddles.
Come on, George. Let's go and show Daddy.
Goodness me.
Daddy. Guess what we've been doing?
Let me think. Have you been...
In the chimney. Yes, Daddy.
It will be a long cycle ride, Peppa. Are you sure?
Yes, Daddy. I'm sure.
Now we're winning.
I don't like cycling uphill.
Peppa, we won the race.
Peppa loves jumping in muddy puddles.
I love muddy puddles. Mr. Dinosaur is lost.
George's favourite toy is Mr. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
George loves Mr. Dinosaur.
Grrr.
Sometimes George likes to scare Peppa with Mr. Dinosaur.
Grrr. Too scary.
At supper time, Mr. Dinosaur sits next to George.
I beg your pardon? Was that you, George? Or was it Mr. Dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
You're still a traitor!
At bath time, George shares his bath with Mr. Dinosaur.
That's a bit sassy.
Good night, Peppa.
Good night, Mummy.
Good night, George. And good night, Mr. Dinosaur.
Grrr. Ooh.
Hello.
Daddy! It isn't home time yet. We've got a special teacher coming today.
That's me. I'm the coach.
A basketball teacher is called a coach.
Ooh. That's clever, Daddy.
Peppa, call me coach.
OK, Daddy Coach.
Does anyone know how to play basketball?
No.
It's fun. You have to run, bounce the ball, and throw it through the hoop.
Wow. Easy peasy. Oh.
It is not as easy as it looks.
To play basketball, you need to train hard and keep fit.
Are you fit, Daddy Coach?
Yes. I'm super fit.
But, Daddy Coach, you've got a big tummy.
This tummy is pure muscle.
Oh, my God!
First, I'll teach you how to get the ball from here to here.
I can do that.
No, Danny. You can't use your feet. That's football.
Danny Dog likes football.
In basketball, you bounce the ball with your hands, like this. Who wants a go?
Me!
Susie Sheep is bouncing the basketball very carefully.
Well done,
Mummy, can we help make the pancakes, please?
Yes, you can help me make the batter. First, I put some flour in the bowl.
Ooh.
Now I add an egg. Now the milk. And I give it all a stir.
Mummy, can I stir?
Yes, of course, Peppa.
Peppa loves stirring. George wants to stir as well.
No, George, like this.
OK, that's enough stirring. You two sit at the table while I cook the pancakes.
Oh my God! What is that?
Mummy Pig is going to flip the pancake over.
Hooray!
You could flip it higher, Mummy Pig.
You can show us how when you flip your own pancake, Daddy Pig.
Oh!